What is a traditional powdered mordant? A powdered mordant is a chemical, a metal salt that has been used over the centuries to prepare fabric before it is going to be naturally dyed. The purpose of the mordant is to help the fabric absorb the color from whatever plant material you are working with. And in the case of eco printing, if you mordant your fabric before you print, you can get a very wide variety of colors from the vegetation that you use. However, if you would prefer to work in a more environmentally mindful and health conscious way, it's really important to understand the implications of using traditional powdered mordants. And I like to replace them wherever possible with using the dirty pot or the pot as mordant. This means that I work in a more environmentally mindful way because the mordants, there are sustainability issues with the mining and manufacture of these metal salts. And also, there are implications to your health if you inhale them when you are using them. So, replacing them with the dirty pot or pot as mordant means that you are working in a way that is more intuitive with nature and has less health implications for you as you do so.